Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily create closure with some parameters. So for using this, first thing we just write our constant. So for example with name m and just like this. So now we just need to write our parameter. So here we need to write, for example, name with type string. And after, so I just forget to write in, and here we just write some text. So we just write print, and here we just write hi, and just use our parameter. Name. So like this. So now we just need to write our closer like this, and here after we need to write our parameter. So with type string, so we just add here some string, so for example max, and now we just write our program, run, and here you can see that it successfully used our parameter in our closer. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.